If you're from Enugu, Isochi, or some other parts of eastern Nigeria, you will believe with me that Abacha is a special delicacy served mostly by Enugu and Isochi people. This is loved by everyone, even people that are not of the same tribe. In this video, I'll show you how to make simple Abacha using the cooking method. This pattern is quite simple and I'm sure you'll love it too. You have to first get your desired quantity of Abacha. In this video, I'll be using this quantity because we are really much in the house and everybody wants to eat this delicacy. So what you need to do is to add red oil into your pot, add onions, and then little water. You can add crayfish before adding water, or you can add water before adding crayfish. Either way, but it's always nicer if you add your crayfish before adding water. But in this video, I practically forgot to add the crayfish before adding water, and then now I went in with my crayfish, then pepper, seasoning, and then salt. Guys, anything you want to add you can add, but this is quite simple. You don't really need to make it too spicy. Just your seasoning cube, salt, fresh pepper, and crayfish. Then you go in with your oba. Please, when adding salt, make sure not to add too much salt because oba always come with salt. It's always salted, so when you add enough salt, like the quantity that is supposed to be enough for the abacha, and then you go in with your oba, you'll find out that most times the food will be too salty. Okay, once you're done with your spices, cover the pot, allow it to come to a boiling point. Once it's boiling, go in with your abacha, then stir and allow it to cook till it's tender. Guys, I told you it's easy, and this is it. Our abacha is 98% ready. So will you be trying this pattern? It's quite easy. I added more water when I found out the one added will not be enough to soften the abacha to the point that it will make it to be so yummy and delicious, So feel free to add more water if need be, and if not, don't bother, as long as your abacha is very soft to the point everyone will love. If you notice, I didn't soak this abacha before adding it into the pot, so there is no point soaking it first or washing. No, just go in with your abacha. Guys, our abacha is ready. Get your spoon, get your plate, one for me, one for you. At this point, you can eat this abacha with anything you want. In my village, Isochi, we eat abacha with kola nut and fish, garden egg, and any other thing you may want. Some use dried fish, smoked fish, fried fish, or whatever. So feel free to enjoy yourself. You can also use otazi or akwụkwọ, whatever you call it. Guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you and bye bye.